In today's video, I'm going to teach you bulk upload products on Shopify using CSV. We'll walk through the entire process, from downloading Shopify's sample template, to filling it in correctly, to importing all your products in one go. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from a blank store to a full product catalog without adding each item manually. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the products option and click it. This takes you to your product list. Even if it's empty right now, that's totally fine. At the top right of this page, click on Import. A pop-up window will appear asking how you want to import your products. Choose the option that says you want to upload a Shopify formatted CSV file, then click Next. The pop-up will reload, and at the bottom left, you'll see an option to download a sample CSV. Go ahead and click that. This file is Shopify's own template for product listings, and it's what we'll use as a guide. Open the CSV file you just downloaded in a spreadsheet program, such as Excel, Google Sheets, or another editor that supports CSV files. Inside, you'll see a series of column headers, including things like title, handle or URL handle, description, vendor, product category, type, tags, SKU, barcode, option 1 name, and option 1 value, among others. Each column represents a different piece of information that Shopify can store for your products. You may notice that some of the rows are already filled in with example data. These sample entries are extremely useful. Use them as a reference for how Shopify expects each type of information to be formatted. For instance, you can see how a product title is written, how tags are separated, and how variant options like size or color are set up under the option name and value columns. Simply replace the example data with your own product information, being careful not to change the header names in the first row. Once you're done entering all your product details, you need to export the file back into CSV format. In your spreadsheet editor, go to the top left and click File. From the drop-down menu, choose Download, then select the option called Comma-Separated Values, or CSV. Save this file somewhere you can easily find it. Now return to your Shopify product page. Click Import again at the top right, choose the option to upload a Shopify formatted CSV file, and click Next. When the pop-up reloads, click Add File. A new window will open, allowing you to browse your computer. Locate the CSV file you just saved, select it, and click Open. Then choose Upload and Preview. Shopify will reload the pop-up and show you a preview of the products that are about to be imported. Take a moment to scan through and make sure things look correct. When you're ready, click Import Products at the bottom right. Shopify will now process the file and import all your products. This might take a little time if you have a large catalog, so be patient and avoid closing the page. Once the import is complete, your product page will reload and you'll see your newly imported products listed in Shopify. From here, you can click on any individual product to open it in the editor and make further adjustments, such as refining descriptions, adding images, or updating inventory settings. And that's all it takes to bulk upload products to Shopify using a CSV file, saving you a lot of time compared to adding each item one by one.